Look at the blizzard out there. It's really, really yucky. And we're under a severe blizzard watch. If you look at the basketball hoop, it's almost halfway buried. Here I have baby Raven. I haven't had her on here a lot. I've been busy doing updates of the painting the nursery, so I figured I'd come on and maybe change her really quick. I figured maybe everyone was getting super tired of seeing the nursery, so it's a really slow process because I had a lot of you know, marker and crayon and stuff to patch, kind of paint, spot paint over before I can do the primer coat. I haven't even done the primer coat yet, but it's a really slow process, but it's going to be really awesome once I get it going. So, this is Maybe by Evelina Wazenjuk, which I have named Raven because I really love that name. And I haven't had her very long, maybe a year coming up, and I had her made by Janelle Marie, whoops, your finger, of Blessed Bundles. I really only photographed her, had her out to photograph her. I haven't changed her much except for what you've seen on my videos. She is a small newborn, as you can tell. This fits her very nicely, but whoops, her hat doesn't really go though. She's gonna have she's got dead head. This really doesn't go either, but I don't really have a good hat that goes, so this one is better. But she I currently have her up for adoption. She's a small newborn. She has full limbs. She does not have a magnet, but her mouth is partially open, so you could do a modified pacifier. She has, the camera won't show it, but she has a really beautifully detailed painting. She's painted with air dry paints. She has micro-rooted strawberry blonde hair, which is currently a mess, but it does, it's really well sealed. You can gently brush it. She's a really beautiful baby. She's one of my favorites. I currently would like I guess 200 and then shipping, or 220 if you're in the United States with free. If you want free shipping, I'll do it for 220. This is a great baby. I have another kit that I want reborn, so I'm gonna move her on, and then a new one will be coming in. So I'm making room, and when my nursery's done, I want new babies in there. So anyway, Maybe by Evelina Wazenjuk, baby Raven. She's really cute. I thought I'd share her again today. Thank you guys for watching.